Hi everyone, it's Carole in my art room today. I'm going to try another cloudy pour. I never give up. I'm just going to paint over this canvas. I have my white Artist Loft paint. And I'm going to paint over. Find my brush. I was here a minute ago. Oh, I'll try my comb. Paint that says enamel, and I'm going to try it. I don't know what's going to happen. That's why I'm not using a good canvas. This is Artist Loft white mixed with floetrol. Anyway, I got my rag. I'm going to use this cup today. I'm going to put in some, I'm going to use, let me see. So I've mixed the house paint, which was like a beige color, with some of the Artist Loft white. It's going to add a little more water. It feels a little thick to me. Want it to disappear. You don't want a mound. And it's got floetrol also. So 1.5 floetrol to 1 paint. That's basically what I did today. All right. So I'm going to put some in the cup. And then I got some phthalo blue that's mixed with floetrol. I think that's a transparent paint, and I've made an orangey red color, so it's yellow and a red. Put that down there. Oh, I'm spilling paint everywhere. And then I've got some Liquitex cadmium yellow medium hue. And I also have some excuse me, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed together. Oh my goodness, I need a drink. Excuse me. So red, yellow, blue. Oh. I'll put some more of this white in. Blue. Oops. Oopsie. red, and I think I'm got enough paint. This is only 8 by 10. I probably have too much paint, so this is the end of it. Probably nothing will happen, but I might have a nice spiral pour out of it. All right. Okay, here we go. That, I think, should get rid of that. It might wreck my plan. Let's put some white there. All right, here we go. Try and pinch my cup. I'm gonna go in circles. Oh, there's a lot of red. And the blue sink, and the yellow sink. I always get a tired arm by the end of this. I think that's about it. All right. I'm gonna have paint everywhere again. So I'm gonna get my tray. See if I can pour into it. I'm just gonna go really slow. I wonder if I should torch the bubbles. Whoa. That's a lot of bubbles. Probably because I just mixed a lot of paint. I guess a good idea is sometimes if you can let your paint sit, but I'm never that organized. Sometimes, but not always. I'm going to bring it back to center again. I'm going to put my dish here. I'll come to this corner. Bring it back to the middle. I think I'll go over this way. I'm trying to go slow, but it's really hard to go slow. Try to hold this so I don't get the... Ooh, a lot of that white came off. I don't want to lose too much of this. I like this colors. Just have to go this way now. Bring it back to the middle. Have a look. There's a lot of this beige. I don't know, maybe I put too much in there, but it looks nice. I'm gonna pour some of this off. Okay, and I'm going to bring it back to center. Well, I wonder if it'll change much. Got lots of big cells. Maybe if I stretch it this way, some of this blue will come out. I like it. I'll let it sit and let it do its thing. See if anything happens or changes. And then I'll come back and I'll show you. Well, I don't see any yellow, but the yellow and the blue made green, which is fine. There's some orange. Oh, I was going to put more red in there, but I didn't. So I just used the orange, blue, and yellow, and the white. I don't know if I want to do that. It's breaking all the bubbles. I'm going to let it and let it go, and I'll come back. All right, I'll come back and I'll show you in about 10 minutes or so. Okay, everyone, I came back. This is about 10 minutes later. A little's changed. There's more cells popping through here. I don't think it's going to change a lot more, maybe a little bit. I'll hold it up for you. I'll put the dried results at the end. But I like this one. This could be used as a background for something, or whatever you like. Anyway, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, or sorry, like, comment below. And join our Facebook group. My sisters and myself have made a Facebook group, and it's called Acrylic Art and Pouring Friends. So there's art by Susan King and Dropping Paint by Dianne. And of course, Carole's Art Room. And go to Facebook and have a look. I'll put a link in the description below. And join us and add some of your paintings to our group. We'd love to see them. All right. All right, have a great day. And we'll be back soon. Bye-bye. Hi. Here's some dried results from my cloudy pour. Dried pretty nice. Take you in for a close-up. There you go. Thanks for watching. Bye.